Welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you a splits stretch workout, how I basically achieved doing the splits. So without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. And also, if you're watching, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It literally means so much to me when you do. I appreciate it so much. This is basically what I decided to do, and I done it each and every day until my legs opened more and more, and then I was able to do the splits. But guys, when I first started doing this, I used to focus on how long, and I noticed that it really hindered the process. So when you're doing this, guys, don't focus on how long, just trust and envision yourself doing it. And then one day I just woke up and bam, I was able to do it, and it didn't even take long. In your journey and envision it in your mind's eye that you can and you will, and before you know it, you'll have done it. And nothing is impossible. Everything is a mindset, and you can and you will. So I like to go over to each side and touch my head to my knee, stretching my spine. Stretching your hips is so beneficial as it keeps your hips in proper alignment and it prevents strain and tightness in the area. It's also known to reduce stress and anxiety, so it also has emotional and mental benefits. Stretching your hips also allows glute activation for the blood to flow easier to your glutes whilst you work out. So it basically enables your glutes to grow easier. That's like a tongue twister. I've also made a video on how to grow your glutes or your bum, and I'm gonna link it down below as well. And this just feels so amazing. This is footage at home. I got my little one to film it. I don't know where he's going with the camera. Bless his heart. Little cameraman. So many benefits. I hope you have fun stretching. There you basically have it, the splits. And always guys, I know it's easier said than done, but trust in your journey. The journey is truly the best part, because each time you're challenging yourself and you're growing and you're literally exceeding your expectations. The journey is the best part, so enjoy it, guys. Don't be in a rush, because why rush? Everything will come to you in its very own divine timing, if you see what I mean. So yeah, and I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for loads more. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you in my next upload. Peace and love until next time, guys. Love you. Today's cameraman. Hey.